Okay. I don't know if you can see here, but I can. Anyways, I see a ground 4, ground 3, ground 2, ground 1. So I assume they're all grounds on this card. So that wire there is the antenna, and there's ground 4. So what my instructions are saying is I have to take the center wire, I'm going to attach it to the antenna there. I'm going to take this one and attach it to ground 4. Now, I'm worried about my ground wire being so long. Oh well, I guess I'll make sure it comes off this way so it doesn't have anything on the card. I'm heating up my small soldering gun. Let me see how it's doing here in a minute. Let's see. Oh, I believe it's hot enough. Okay, so we'll get this done inside the radio here. Remember, I'm going to use flux. Now, to get the flux in there, I'll use a stick, right? Just the tiniest bit. Now, you don't want to get this anywhere where you're going to make your connection. That's it. Okay? So I'm going to lay this down. There's some solder on here. And that wasn't that hard, was it? See? Yeah, we'll hook that ground up. Yeah, those are coming off. Cool. So, now we'll have to put it back together and check out and see if it works. Oops. I still get you guys zoomed in, don't I? I'm sorry. Here we go. Okay, so I got my wires soldered on. Right? And this piece. Here, and the other wires out of the way. Oh, I see. Yes. This means it's in the way. So, see, make sure these are still connected. Nice, yes. Okay. That's back right in place. Now, if I remember right, the case goes on, and there's room in there. It's very important, you guys, to make sure this antenna wire is inside there. You don't want it to bind up in any of your gimbals, right? If you have to use twist as you can. I think I'm just going to be able to set mine in here and have it be okay. I do believe so. There's that. Okay, so there we are with the new antenna wire installed. Now, make sure this all fits, no problem. Okay, so screw it back together. Okay, so I'm going to put the crystal back in. Oh yes, it fits. And the battery. I sometimes hate these batteries. That's okay. Thing, eh? Okay, so time for another wooden stick. There we go. That's back on proper. Okay. And the battery back in. Now we see we've got a new connection here. And on here, what was this? And this goes to here. And then I give this a LiPo battery and to my other antenna. So I don't know about this. I'm wondering if I make this cable shorter and I mount this on the back of my radio. Huh? I never noticed it back there. Shorter I can get these cables, the better I'm going to get for range, I think. So there we go. I turn it on, it just turns on normal. Okay, so there we go. I modified the radio for the new long range, 15 kilometer. It's the SA725 signal amplifier. I believe it's 7 watts. Yeah, you gotta remember to turn your antenna on, eh? My antenna has it on off now. Well, we'll test this up here in a minute. But I think everything's just to go. Okay. Now you can't see. Remember the stock motor mount? I'm going to use this. There's 6 bolts on it. So, I'm going to have to use this. Use the Dremel here. And drill my 6 holes in here so that I can use 6 small nuts and bolts. I guess you can't really see if you can't see, can you? There. You see better now? Okay. There we go. 6 holes drilled in. Plastic shirt goes up around that drill bit. Holy. Okay. So, we'll come back over here. Whoa. The motor. Now I need how much small screws and nuts. Where am I going to find them? Okay, well, I'm going to have it all look around. Go find some chain that'll be adequate for this. And we'll be right back. Okay, I drilled the holes out. So I'm going to do that. So I got four will be enough. I know there's 6 holes there. But I only found 4 screws of the right size. So I'm going to use 4 of them. And I'll glue these screws on. And that one that's too long, I'll cut the excess off. So, we'll get these on. It's too big. That sort of sucks. I was hoping that would fit. Oh well. I have to use some pliers. Where's some dangerous pliers? Okay, I'll use these. Use these to tighten this up on. And I have the motor mounted, I believe. Yes, sirree. God, I used to have a wrench for these. It would be so much easier, wouldn't it? I have nothing small to follow. Oh my, oh, wrenches.